And there is this fresh twist to the Sunanda murder probe. A short while ago, MC Misra, refusing to take Times Now's questions at Sneha Mordani, had asked him on whether or not he was angling for Dr. Bharadwaj to replace Sudhir Gupta and Adarsh Kumar. Let's take a listen to that.
Yeah, the AIIMS is issuing a press statement regarding the appointment of the head of the Department of Forensic Medicine. Professor D.N. Bharadwaj, the senior most professor in the Department of Forensic Medicine, was appointed the head of the department on the 1st of August 2012. Professor Bharadwaj served as the head of the department from August 2012 to July 2013. Subsequently, due to personal reasons, Professor D.N. Bharadwaj requested that he may be allowed to relinquish the charge of the head of the department. The charge was given thereafter to Professor Sudhir Gupta. The governing body on May 12, 2014 promoted Dr. O.P. Murthy, Additional Professor of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, to the grade of Professor of Forensic Medicine with effect from 1st July 2011. As he was being superseded, Professor Sudhir Gupta challenged his promotion, the promotion of Dr. O.P. Murthy, in the principal bench of the Central Administrative Tribunal, or CAT. The CAT, in its decision dated 4th of March 2015, said that the original application, besides being not maintainable, is devoid of merit and is liable to be dismissed, and dismissed it. Subsequently, Professor Sudhir Gupta filed a petition in the High Court of Delhi. The High Court of Delhi heard the matter on the 25th of March 2015 and was pleased to grant the liberty to AIIMS to seek leave from the High Court at the time of making appointment to the post of head of the department of the said department. The institute has received an application from Professor D.N. Bharadwaj on August 9, 2014 that he has fulfilled his family responsibilities and is willing to take up the responsibility of the head of the Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. As the matter was sub judice in the CAT, this request of Professor D.N. Bharadwaj could not be acted upon. After March 2015, the institute was free to seek the leave of the High Court to appoint a head of the department based on seniority. Given that Professor D.N. Bharadwaj was the senior most faculty and has given his consent, AIIMS has moved an application in the Delhi High Court seeking leave to appoint him to the post of head of the department. The proposal entirely in accordance with the extant practice at AIIMS that the senior most faculty member in the departments are appointed as heads of the department. The institute also would like to categorically state that there was no extraneous pressure ever put on Professor Sudhir Gupta with regard to his medical opinion in any case. Allegations being levelled against the institute in the media by Professor Sudhir Gupta in this regard are baseless and denied. The next hearing of the High Court is on 1st of July 2015. AIIMS would comply with High Court's decision in this matter. Thank you.
So, Dr. Adarsh, who's also in the Forensics Department, has said that there was pressure on them to show that Sunanda's death was natural. In fact, he also goes on to talk about how even previously, how Dr. Bharadwaj was not physically fit to be the HOD of the Forensics Department, that he had some problems in hand, had tremors, and also the fact that there were some grave mistakes made by Dr. Bharadwaj in his term as the HOD of Forensics Department when it came to high-profile cases like the Ponti Chadda case, for example. How do you react to both of these statements coming from Dr. Adarsh?
I have already said in my written statement that it was a request from Professor D.N. Bharadwaj stating that there were family reasons for his not accepting the position of head of the department. Thereafter, he has already requested this year that he has now fulfilled his family responsibilities and that he is free to accept the position of head of the department.
But what about Dr. Adarsh saying that he is not physically fit and also that he had made many mistakes, and the opinion is that he cannot be the HOD because of the kind of mistakes he had made?
I think those are allegations leveled by another faculty against a senior faculty that should be best left to the administration or to the court, if at all Dr. Adarsh feels he wants to go to the court to be decided.
But he also says there was pressure to show that Sunanda's death was natural. He's also written a letter to this effect.
It has been umpteen number of times said, not only by the administration of AIIMS but also by the CAT tribunal and also the Honorable High Court, that these are two different matters and that amalgamation of these two matters should not be considered.
Doctor, being vindictive against him in particular?
Well, the procedure is that the head of the department is recommended by the director. In this particular case, because the High Court was also in question, the AIIMS, following the procedures, has gone and applied to the High Court for its permission to appoint the senior most faculty as the head of the department.
So the president of AIIMS, his permission.
So the procedures are being followed administratively.
And in that affidavit that has been submitted to the High Court, are there any reasons given as to why Dr. Gupta is not going to consider? Is it just that Dr. Bharadwaj is now willing to take charge?
No, he is willing. He is the senior most, and that's the procedure.
So specific to the allegations of just Sunanda Pushkar's case in the autopsy, the fact that a senior faculty member is leveling allegations in the institute